Through Ashish Pandit 15 years now. तो उनके थ्रू मैं इस फिल्म के गाने में आया और ऋषि जो कंपोज़र है मेरे गाने के वो भी करीब 5-6 साल से मेरा दोस्त रहा है. हम मिले थे किसी एक फिल्म के रिकॉर्डिंग में. तो they gave me the song and I liked it and so I said I'll do the song. And it doesn't matter whether it's for a big director or someone who I don't know. The song was very nice and I believe that if the product is good, it's going to reach people. And this is one such song. Really, really nice. Not for the sake of saying nice, but ये गाना ऐसा है कि ये मैं परफॉर्म करना चाहूँगा जब मैं अपने शोज करता हूँ, जब अपने लाइव कॉन्सर्ट्स करता हूँ.
एक गाना
खुदा शुक्रिया जो तूने दिया है साथ मेरे, जो है मेरा दिल में खुशी छाने लगी है, जन्नत बाहों में आने लगी है जन्नत बाहों में. साथिया साथिया इश्क तेरा, साथिया साथिया इश्क तेरा, साथिया साथिया इश्क तेरा, साथिया साथिया इश्क तेरा.
थैंक यू सो मच. और अब मैं
संदेश के लिए और who's the captain of the ship? Thank you Big FM for having us and releasing the music for us. Thanks to Tochi, thanks to everybody who's contributed, Ashish and the entire team, the actor, the actress, the line producer, everybody. I think a film is complete when everybody from even the cableman is taken into consideration. So thank you. I take this on behalf of the entire team. Thanks.
रोल कर रहे हो, रोल रोलिंग। कुणाल जी क्या हो गया, थोड़ा सा साइलेंस प्लीज। कुणाल जी, सबसे पहले जानना चाहूँगा आप लव शगुन का कैसे हिस्सा बने, और आज वैलेंटाइन से रिलेटेड भी कुछ है वो जानना चाहूँगा।
वैलेंटाइंस तो बहाना है, रोज़ प्यार के लिए वक्त होता है हमारे लिए ज़िंदगी पर। हाँ, हमसे जो एक पीढ़ी पहले जो बाद आई है उनके लिए ये सब अहमियत रखता है। 14 फरवरी को ही प्यार मनाए तो ठीक है, माइट एज वेल। बट या हम उस वक्त के पहले रिलीज़ म्यूज़िक कर रहे हैं, और इस फिल्म में कई ज़रियों से मैं आया। मेरा दोस्त आशीष और ऋषि जो कंपोज़र है मेरे गाने का, दोनों को मैं जानता था। तो इट वाज द फर्स्ट टाइम डायरेक्टर, एक्टर्स आर रिलेटिवली न्यू, ही इज डन अ फ्यू फिल्म्स, बट डजंट मैटर, यू नो। जब साथ आई वॉज न्यू, विवेक ओबेरॉय वॉज न्यू, जब भीगी होंठ किया तब मल्लिका वॉज न्यू, इमरान वॉज न्यू, so Anurag, it was his first film also, maybe it was his second. So there were lots of first times, and you never know. I do every song, whether it's for Sanjay Bansali Saab, whether it's for Mukesh Bhatt, whether it's for Yash Raj, or Shah Rukh Khan, or Salman Khan, or Akshay Kumar. We do it with the love that, you know, that this is my song.
Okay, कितनी यादें ताज़ा हो जाती हैं, जैसे आपने जिक्र किया, जैसे विवेक का फर्स्ट टाइम था, आपका फर्स्ट टाइम था, कितनी
बहुत मजा आता
है, नॉस्टैल्जिया।
Yes, of course, and every time it's a brand new feeling, because हमें ये नहीं पता होता था कि गाना चलेगा, गाना एक्सेप्ट करेगी पब्लिक, गाना प्रमोट होगा, क्योंकि हर गाने का नसीब अलग होता है। तो अच्छे गाने कभी पहुँचते ही नहीं आवाम तक।
इस गाने के बारे में क्या कहना चाहिए लव शगुन के लिए आपको?
बहुत अच्छा गाना है, और इसको आप सुनते हो तो इसमें एक क्या कहे, इन्फेक्शन जैसा, इट्स वेरी इन्फेक्शियस, वो आपको लगना ही लगना है। तो ये गाना सुन के, मैं गाना सुन के तय नहीं करता, पर ये पूरी टीम फेमिलियर थी तो उन्होंने गाना मुझे भेजा था, तो मैंने कहा ज़रूर करेंगे, और जल्दी किया मैंने, क्योंकि मैं टूर पे जा रहा था। तो मैंने कहा तो ये 10 दिन में कर दो, बिकॉज उसके बाद क्या होगा, मैं थका हुआ आऊँगा एंड आई मे नॉट बी एबल टू डू जस्टिस, फिर आपको रुकना पड़ेगा, फिर आपका स्केड्यूल। तो हमने झट से गाना रेडी था। तो सो आई एम एक्साइटेड लाइक आई वॉज बिफोर माई फर्स्ट chart topper in Satya, and the song is called Satya, so I'm very excited. Whether the song does well or no is up to God, but we have done as much, and I'm as excited as I was during Satya.
Do you got emotional, you know, when the Satya word comes, you know?
Savarya also comes. I'm happy when murder also comes. But yeah, it मुझे बाद में relate हुई, जब गाना सुना मैंने, तब मैंने कहा अरे ये तो this has the word Satya. It's interesting.
Okay, what happening apart from this? What's there in the pipeline? You know,
I'm writing a lot of music also, besides singing, because times have changed and you have to write your own music and sing it. And so it's an exciting time. I'm doing a lot of live performances, and yeah, but I'm most excited about writing my music and not waiting for the phone to ring. But then there are very interesting projects like this one, which Rishi has done. There are a few more songs which we've done for people who are anonymous right now. But the material is very interesting. Like an Ankit came from out of nowhere. Like an Arijit came out of nowhere. And it's great. Arman came from nowhere. So it's fantastic.
कुणाल जी, मेरा सवाल आपसे है कि आपने तो बहुत माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छे गाने गाए, तो लव शगुन का आपको जैसे स्पेशल मोमेंट शेयर करना चाहेंगे कि
नहीं ये गाना
रिकॉर्डिंग के
जी
वक्त ऐसे कुछ?
नहीं, पर ये गाना जैसे आपने कहा कि माशाल्लाह बहुत अच्छे गाने किए हैं हमने, तो ये गाने की जो कॉम्पोजिशन, ये गाने की कॉम्पोजिशन, ये गाने का औदा, ये गाने की फील, और ये गाने में जो एक सिंगर के अंदर से जो निकालने की एक चैलेंज होती है टैलेंट को, ये गाने में वो सारी चीज़ें। और ये मैं सिर्फ कहने के लिए बात नहीं कर रहा हूँ, जैसे आपने कहा कि मेरे पास आई हैव गॉट 1000+ songs, but this song challenged me, and it was very interesting. He wrote it for me, he composed it for me, but that's a tribute to the composer, that when he thinks of a singer and composes it, and yet the singer comes and doesn't find something which is generic, stale नहीं था, it was exciting.
आखिरी सवाल, आपने बहुत सारे रोमांटिक्स गाने गाए हैं, सो वैलेंटाइंस डे आ रहा है, तो स्पेशली एक ऐसे ही गाना गुनगुनाना चाहेंगे?
कौन सा ये
या तो दूसरा आपका बहुत सारा?
ये बहुत अच्छा है, तो और क्यों गुनगुनाए कुछ?
थोड़ा सा और।
साथिया साथिया इश्क तेरा, साथिया साथिया इश्क तेरा।
थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू
थैंक यू रोलिंग। टुची सर, लव शगुन में आप किस तरह से योगदान कर रहे हैं वो जानना चाहूँ।
लव शगुन में मैंने एक गाना गाया है और उसका म्यूज़िक जो है मेरे बैंड ऑफ बंदगी ने दिया है। मैं तो लव शगुन के पूरी टीम को बहुत बहुत मुबारकबाद देता हूँ कि उनसे जुड़ने का मुझे मौका मिला और मेरे बैंड को जुड़ने का मौका मिला है। बहुत अच्छा डांस नंबर है, लोग बहुत एंजॉय करने वाले हैं। जैसे गल मिठी मिठी बोल आया था, तो वैसा ही ट्रैक है और एंजॉय करने के लिए सब तैयार रहें।
आपको हमेशा सूफीज़म से ही जोड़ा जाता है, चाहे वो डांसिंग नंबर भी हो तो भी वो कहीं ना कहीं उसकी
कनेक्ट करती है आवाज़,
खुशबू देता है।
वो साउंड है, वोकल साउंड है। मेरा साउंड वोकल का कुछ ऐसा है, तो साउंड से लोग जुड़ जाते हैं। बाकी अभी तक तो कोई सूफियाना गाना मेरा आया नहीं है और जिस दिन आएगा लोग सुनेंगे तो उसमें साउंड बिल्कुल अलग सुनाई पड़ेगा, बस ये है।
ओके, इस जो गाना जिसका आप जिक्र कर रहे हैं, क्या उसकी लाइन हम करें?
हाँ जी, मैं उसका हुक लाइन सुना देता हूँ। कलोलो गया जी, कलोलो गया जी, कलोलो गया, कलोलो गया जी, कलोलो गया, कलोलो गया जी, कलोलो गया।
ओके, कितना एक सिंगर जब कोई गाना रिकॉर्ड करता है, कहीं रियलाइज भी होता है, कभी रिकॉर्ड करते टाइम में लगता है कि हाँ ये बहुत हिट होने वाला है या लोग सराहेंगे बहुत इसको।
हाँ, वो गाने से पता लग जाता है कि आपकी बॉडी भी एक वेवलेंथ होती है, एक वाइब्रेशन होता है। और मेरा थोड़ा सा उल्टा है कि मैं गाने को पहले लेके एनालाइज करता हूँ, पोइट्री की किताब को समझता हूँ। पोइट्री की किताब क्या कहती है, जब तक किताब ही नहीं समझ में आएगी तो गाना भी नहीं गा सकते। इसलिए फिलॉसफी को जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है। उतर जाता है तो फिर बगैर देखे मैं गाता हूँ, मैं देख करके गाता नहीं हूँ गाना, तो वो पहले ही से बॉडी बता देती है। बाकी आजकल
आपको क्या ऐसा है इस गाने को लेकर?
गाना बहुत बड़ा हिट होने वाला है और लोग बहुत एंजॉय करने वाले हैं और मेरे से ज़्यादा आपको पूरी टीम बताएगी। और जब आप YouTube पे मेकिंग भी देखोगे तो बहुत सारे व्यूज़ भी आपको देखने को मिलेंगे, कितना लोगों ने प्यार दिया है इस गाने से। तो मैं बहुत शुक्रगुजार हूँ संदेश का और उनकी पूरी टीम का कि उन्होंने एक गाना हमें दिया म्यूज़िक करने के लिए, मेरे बैंड को, बैंड ऑफ बंदगी को। तो हमारी तरफ से उनको बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं हैं इस फिल्म के लिए। और अपने चाहने वालों से बोलूँगा, जितना प्यार मुझे लोगों ने दिया है उतना ही इस फिल्म को दे, उससे कहीं ज़्यादा दे। आपको शगुन का मतलब पता ही होगा और वो भी प्यार का। तो ये लव शगुन जा कर के आप देखिए, आपको बहुत अच्छा लगेगा। एक जो हमारी आम जिंदगी में हंसी मजाक चुलबुलापन जो होता है, वो सारा कुछ फिल्म के अंदर में आपको देखने को मिलेगा। कुछ डिफरेंट है और बहुत अच्छी मूवी है, आप लोग ज़रूर देखें।
थैंक यू सो मच।
थैंक यू।
from right. Left. Sir, इधर. Left. Ready है. सबको ये चश्मा बना है. Skill is on hold. सही है.
Getting an individual character.
Sir.
Fun.
सही है. Straight.
Okay. तो अगर किसी को भी पूछना है वन ऑन वन जो भी है
क्या है?
बहुत बढ़िया बोलना बहुत बढ़िया ओके रोलिंग
जी जी कहाँ पे देखेंगे कौन सा
इनटू द लेंस
ठीक है डन ओके
So even you're right.
कैसे दो जगह मैं आके डाल
अगर मैं पूछूंगी तो यहाँ सामने ही दो.
एक काम करो पहले आप क्लोज करो हम लोग
नहीं कर.
ऐसे देख सकता आदमी उधर उधर नहीं
हाँ अनुज टेल अस यू नो व्हाट इज the first reaction the moment the makers of Love Shagun approach you with this film, you know, what is your first reaction?
Actually, when we met, there was an audition which happened, and then I had met Sandesh ji. So I was see, it takes time. There's always an instinct which works for an actor and for a director to believe in each other and have faith in each other to work in the project. It's a teamwork altogether. So, at end of the day, even if you get any Yash Raj film or anything which is a big banner, at the same time you always have instinct which works at night, even if you keep it yourself. So there was always a progress going on when we were meeting, talking to each other, and he explained me about the character. The major thing which struck me about the character was it was totally opposite to what I've been so far been portrayed about my image altogether from last so many years. Working opposite to Anushka Nivea and a couple of other brands which I've endorsed with celebrities altogether. Though it's always been a lover boy image of complete man for a Raymond campaign which I did, and it got very popular then. Even the TV show what I did was also more of a romantic guy who was opposite to a woman, you know, Harley, pair, work in the whole romantic scene and everything. Now I wanted something away from that, a character which is totally different to man. Rather, he's a simple, naive boy who's a mama's boy. What I would always say that, and the character name is JD, but known to be a Jyotiraditya Suryakant Dubey, and all known as like in short form as JD. This guy, this boy basically is he's got friends who have there's like different spice to, you know, all are different in their own sphere, but somewhere they're connected because they give that space to each other. But at the same time, this guy, since he's a strong believer in astrology, got it from mother. So the whole package was, which appealed me was as a character as well as, you know, more of something to do to learn and, you know, get experience out of it. Because we always create an image. After creating some image, you would like to do something which breaks that image again, to show the versatility in your range of acting and performance. So there was a lot to do in that. And in the workshop, we did some workshop for a few days, which happened to be before the movie when we worked together with Vishu sir, and you know, and that was a fantastic part. I think that was the main core of the film, and you work in the workshop and you actually get to know more about the character. Rest is improvisation on the set as well.
Okay, Anuj, do you think it's a good start in Bollywood? And
Yes,
do you
it's-
agree with this, you know, the model?
See, I have worked in Hawa Hawaii earlier as a supporting role. I have worked as a brother of Saqib Salim in the film, and people appreciated my work regardless of few scenes in the film. I was recognized in those good as a character, but yes. So I think in Bollywood everything works where you do it with your heart, where you can convince people with your performance. It works. There's no such parameter of you have to work in this character, you don't have to work in this character. Initially everybody has his strength in somewhere where as long as I cannot convince myself that I can do this character properly, I cannot convince the audience that I've done a good job. So I have to convince myself that I will be doing the justice to the character. So that's the first thing to do. That's what I call it, like instinct altogether. And there are a couple of factors when you get an offer, you get to do a film, you offer for a film. You always think about it, and you think to gauge it, whether you will be able to do it or not. It cannot be like you got a film, so let's just do it. That's why I think it took me about 2 years to get the main guy in the film. It wasn't easier for me.
Do you agree with this, Anuj? You know, somewhere down the line, responsibility as an actor goes up when you're doing a film in a lead.
Yes, responsibility goes up.
Are you nervous?
I am not nervous for my performance at all. I have anxiety. I have a lot of anxiety. The anxiety to do the best before. See, my only approach is the people should recognize the film. Nowadays, the audience is not one of those who will say the film is going to be good or it's going to be good because he's, one X factor and done okay. People can now segregate the whole thing and say, okay, movie plotting or movie story was okay, but the performance of this actor was good. So people can recognize that. They can segregate the whole thing and actually can mention in the reviews as well. Nowadays you get the reviews as, even if the film was good, maybe the performance of this particular person wasn't good. So people do segregate and, you know, try and mention everything in detail. Now people know, they're aware, the awareness is there. So cinema has changed because of the audience has changed. They become more intelligent. So I'm not nervous for my performance because I've done my best what I could. But what would appeal the masses, I think till date nobody has got a logic or any numerology or some logistics where you can, you know, any mathematic thing that, okay, this is going to appeal the audience for sure. So that nobody has got to know so far. As long as people would watch the film and I get to break the image in a way that they forget about this is Anuj Sachdeva in 10-15 minutes and they relate it to it's a JD character. So I'm happy, like I've done my job, I feel.
Okay, you know, you're the one, though the whole film is a love comedy.
That's right.
Okay, so you bring the light moment in the film. Of course, entire team get the light moment and the soft moment in the film. What do you think, as an actor, what was the most challenging while working with in Love Shagun?
The most challenging fact was that I was already doing a film which had a similar kind of a character but was aged slightly higher than this. A guy was married. That's another film which is still under process. So in this film, that was the challenge. In fact, that is what that was a kick which I was getting while signing this film, was that the character is quite similar but it is slightly young. How I can differentiate between both the characters, because both the films are being made at the same time, and that differentiation is something, after watching this film and after watching the other film also, which is approximately complete, I think I've been able to do that. It was not, the director was very open on the set and he was finding, the script was exciting but he was finding more things which can be live, and he gave you that space. So to make it more lighter, and sometimes there are a lot of things which are also being edited because the scenes, how they were written, while execution scenes were quite long and we had to add some thrill, some wit to it.
It should be like
so
to the
that
point, precisely.
Exactly. So it can be precisely said. It should be more witty. It should be. I think we took that responsibility on our shoulders, and a lot of times things came at my end because I was supposed to be the most funny guy.
Should add this to it. His improvisation on the set was fantastic. There were a couple of times I have asked him that how should I improvise right now in my character, according to my character. You know, at times some people are very good with since being from the theatre background. Of course, he's done a fantastic job improvising the scenes on the set. There are limitations to the things, you know. On set maybe some few things are not available. Aaj hamare paas 3 glasses and 4 nahi hai. So how to really improvise on the set and work on those 3 glasses. And there's so many things. In fact, trust me, I used to observe him when he used to perform on the set, and I really wanted to learn what kind of light, you know, not to make it so serious, but say in a very funny way, very light-heartedly, very smoothly, he would just improvise. And that's the best part about him, his character.
Okay, to both of you, what message do you want to give the audience why they come and be a part of Love Shagun?
Hey, I would just like to say that yes, it's a rom-com, it's a romantic comedy, but it is in a very different space. It is talking about something which only Indian youth will relate. I won't say that it is global in that sense, but it is very much Indian because they're talking about youth which has cultural roots and which is also modernized a bit.
Like how we adapt the modern Western culture, at the same time we are still connected to the roots.
Your message?
Yeah, messages, of course. It's my message would be, I wouldn't say my movie is too different how everybody says, but I'll make sure the popcorns you're going to buy, the money you're going to spend, it'll be worth it.
Thank you guys. Thank you.